Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making for you all a lap chong fried rice. If you guys have never had lap chong sausage, it is a spicy Chinese sausage, and I first had this at K-Pop restaurant in Port of Spain, and it was introduced to me by Miss Titi Chatterbox. So this recreation is for Miss Titi Chatterbox. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me your comments. Remember, when you're using this, please peel back on the sausage casing before using the sausage. So thank you all so much and enjoy this recipe. Okay guys, so let's get started by adding our lap chong sausage to our wok. And you're not gonna add any oil. We just want to let that the fat from the sausage come out. So we're gonna let this cook or saute in here for a little. You want your heat to be on a medium for this. We want it to get crisp and brown on the outside. Okay guys, once your sausage has a nice color and you've rendered out some of that fat, remove it. But try to leave the fat in the pot. We want to use that for our eggs. So I'm gonna remove this and just set it aside. Okay, now into the wok, I'm going to go in with 2 eggs, and we're gonna scramble these eggs. And I'm just gonna lightly season with some salt and some black pepper. Remember that sausage would have had seasoning and the oil would flavor. And we're going to scramble this. And I find using a whisk to scramble the eggs works really well. It breaks up the egg really nice and fine, rather than you're struggling with a spoon or a spatula. And if you like it chunky, if you like your egg pieces chunky, then fry it to the consistency you would like. So guys, look how nice and scrambled my egg is. So what I'm going to do now is remove it from the pan or from the wok and set it aside. So to the same wok, I'm going to go in with some oil. And to that oil, I'm going in with some garlic and some ginger. You want to saute this on low. You don't want the garlic and the ginger to burn, guys. So we just want this to get really tender and fragrant. To that, I'm going to go in with some onion, finely chopped. And I know a lot of you don't like putting onion in your fried rice. If you wanted to omit it, you can. What you want is for this onion to cook out properly. You don't want the onion to be halfway cooked. So once your onion cooks out properly, your rice is not going to spoil. So just let it go there for about 20 seconds or until it's translucent. Now that the onion is translucent, I'm going to go in with some frozen peas and carrots. And I did not wet the peas and carrots because I didn't want it to have a lot of moisture in it. So now we're going to cook this. So go ahead and cook this peas and this carrots for about 1 minute. Okay guys, once your peas, your carrots and your onion is cooked, what we're going to do now is go ahead and add in our cooked rice. And I'm using day-old rice. You want to make sure that the rice is nice and cool. You don't want to use warm rice for this. I'm going to go in with some chopped scallions. In goes my egg and that lap chong sausage that we sauteed earlier. Toss. Now I'm going to add in some sesame oil. In goes in a little bit of soy sauce to add some flavor and some color. And I'm going to add in a little bit of Chinese seasoning salt. The recipe for this can be found on my channel. And sauce. Now you want to bring all of those flavors together. So guys, I'm using jasmine rice to make this, and the best way to use the jasmine rice is to make sure that it cools out properly. So if you're making this in the afternoon, boil it the morning off and leave it to cool out properly. And you see it's not sticky, it's still very grainy. So this is finished. All you have to do now is taste and adjust your salt, and this is ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make it and let me know down below. Miss Titi Chatterbox, I hope you enjoyed it also. So if you guys make it, comment, leave me your comments. I want to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, everyone.